Are you struggling to come up with creative marketing ideas to promote your vacation rental company? Do you want to expand your reach and attract new customers through guest blog posts? With ChatGPT, it's easier than ever to generate compelling ideas that will help you stand out in a crowded market. So in this video, we'll be discussing how to use ChatGPT to create ideas for guest blog posts that will promote your vacation rental company. By publishing guest blog posts on relevant websites and platforms, you can increase your visibility and attract new customers who may not otherwise have heard of your business. So imagine you want to get your vacation rental featured on a blog dedicated to family travel in the area of Gatlinburg. What you could enter is a prompt like this, which is, give me a list of 10 guest post suggestions pitching the merits of vacation rentals for a family for a blog about travel in Gatlinburg. And also I'm asking something more, say each time, give me the reasons why it's a good pitch. This will obviously help me when I reach out to these people to see. And for example, how to choose the best, right? This post could provide tips for families on what to look for when choosing the vacation rentals, just size, location, amenities. Could also discuss how to find a rental that fits their budget and needs. So as you can see, it's an easy way to get great ideas. So by using ChatGPT to generate ideas for guest blog posts, you'll save time and effort while also ensuring that your content is engaging and effective at attracting new customers. Plus, with AI-powered insights and suggestions from ChatGPT, you'll be able to create unique angles and perspectives that will make your content stand out.